These are the spellings for Year 2 this week. The spelling rule is the R sound spelt with WR at the beginning of words. Write. Can you write your name? Write. Written. I have written amazing sentences. Written. Wrote. I wrote a letter to my friend. Wrote. Wrong. Oh no, the answer is wrong. Wrong. Wrap. Can you wrap a birthday present? Wrap. Wrist. My wrist is at the end of my arm. Wrist. Wreck. After the car crash, it was a wreck. Wreck. Wriggle. Worms like to wriggle in the mud. Wriggle. Improve. I know how to improve my work using a purple pen. Improve. Clothes. When I get dressed in the morning, I put on my school clothes. Clothes. Good luck, Year 2.